Hello friends, welcome to the Natural Skin Routine and Healthy Lifestyle channel. Having clear, mirror-like skin like Korean skin is perhaps the common dream of all women, so much so that you may have even spent a lot of time finding the secret to achieving such skin. As is probably clear from the title of the article, one of the secrets to having fresh, mirror-like skin is rice. Rice has many benefits for facial skin, but in order to have the maximum effect on facial skin, it must be used with a specific recipe. I will explain to you the secret behind the mask of clear and glowing skin that is also brightening and anti-blemish. Become a member of the channel now. YouTube may no longer show you my content. Don't miss out on useful and easy information. Benefits of rice mask for face. Rice is one of the most amazing natural ingredients that has unique properties for facial skin. The most important of these properties are, since rice contains significant amounts of vitamins and minerals, it can help tighten and rejuvenate the skin. The nutrients in rice can lead to the shrinking of open pores. It can also increase collagen production in the skin and increase skin elasticity. Rice can play a wonderful moisturizing role for facial skin. In addition, using rice reduces the amount of oil in the skin and can regulate the pH of the skin. Rice has anti-aging properties and can, therefore, prevent the formation of possible wrinkles. Now comment for me if you have had experience using a rice mask. What recipe did you use and what results did you achieve? I would like to know all your personal experiences and opinions in the messages. Please, by publishing the content of the Natural Skin Routine channel, we encourage everyone to use natural materials and inform people about the benefits they get. So far, you have benefited from the properties of rice for the skin to some extent. Did you know that the secret to the young and radiant skin of Asian women like China, Japan, and Korea is the use of rice in their skin routine? It went viral so much that the whole world was wondering about the real age of Korean women. Because they couldn't guess correctly, the woman who looked 30 years old was actually 68 years old. I was surprised when I found out their secret. From the day my grandmother told me that I was using the same rice mask, I was sure that it worked right. I reached the greatest achievement of natural beauty and I recommend it to everyone. Everyone in the world deserves to have smooth and clear skin. Please send it to people who need such content to solve their skin problems. 3 rice masks, and I will explain to you because it would be long. I will upload it in 3 parts. First, we measure 6 tablespoons of rice in a container. Then I rinse it to remove the dust after the rice is washed. I pour 400 milliliters of water to cook it on the heat. Be careful, like in the movie, it is fully cooked. I put all my energy into providing you with the best content for a healthy lifestyle and a natural skin routine. By subscribing to the channel and touching the bell, you will be informed about the latest and secrets behind the curtain of special beauty. Also, by sending health and beauty content to the channel, the needs of many of your loved ones will be met, because everyone is looking for a healthy and natural life and is interested in a healthy lifestyle and a beauty routine that does not involve chemicals. Using rice to treat facial blemishes is a simple and practical method that you can use to get rid of facial blemishes forever. In addition, with the help of this rich liquid, you can reduce the aging process of the skin and enjoy clear and bright skin. Facial blemishes may be caused by various factors such as the sun, taking certain medications, pregnancy, etc. Usually, treating facial blemishes using chemical medications and creams is very expensive and of course time-consuming. And it has even been observed many times that after a long and expensive treatment period, facial blemishes have not changed at all or have been temporarily cleared and returned after a while. Using rice to treat facial blemishes permanently relieves you from using blemish creams. Using rice to treat facial blemishes has many benefits. This healing mask can be easily prepared at home and does not cost much, while it is a natural ingredient and is not a chemical medicine. Of course, in addition to treating facial blemishes, you can also use rice to care for your skin and hair. So, by using rice to treat facial blemishes, give yourself the gift of clear, flawless, and youthful skin. This mask is known as the best skin beauty mask by combining several different ingredients together. After the rice cooking stage, you should blend the cooked rice until you get a smooth and creamy puree. The next ingredient added is rose. Do you know the benefits of rose water for the skin? It is amazing. First, let me tell you what rose water is made of. Rose water is produced by steam distillation of rose petals. Because of its fragrance, it is used as a mild natural fragrance instead of chemicals and perfumes. It is believed that rose water was first produced in Iran, and then its fame reached Arab and European countries. Rose water has many benefits, and it is used for various purposes, from reducing mental tension to brightening the skin, and is widely used in the manufacture of cosmetic and health compounds. The rice mask base, which was mashed and mashed cooked rice, is ready. I will divide it into 3 parts because I will upload 3 separate contents for you in 3 parts. First, I will explain the rice mask in this part. In the second part, I will teach you how to use rice eye cream, which works wonders for dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles around the eyes. And in the third part, I will teach you how to use a pre-bath mask for weak and damaged hair that has dandruff and severe hair loss due to dryness and dehydration of the scalp. All 3 of these masks and creams are made with a cooked and mixed rice base. Please follow the next parts. The next ingredient in the rice mask is 3 tablespoons of rose water, which has these benefits for the skin. The skin is the largest organ in the body, protecting the internal organs from ultraviolet rays, chemicals, and other physical pollutants. Rose water is rich in antioxidants, which make skin cells resistant to various damages. In addition to these anti-inflammatory effects, this substance soothes irritations caused by eczema and rosacea. The benefits of rose water for the skin include inhibiting the destructive activity of the elastase and collagenase enzymes on the skin, reducing wrinkles, regulating the pH of the skin, shrinking open pores, reducing acne, contains vitamins E, C, and A, accelerates the healing process of wounds, relieves skin itching, prevents the formation of spots. The third ingredient added to the rice mask is a teaspoon of natural mountain honey. Make sure that the honey you use is of high purity to have a greater effect on transparency and regeneration of dead cells. Honey renews and rebuilds the skin. The combination of rose water, honey, and rice is a perfect beauty balm in itself, but it doesn't end there. What do you think the fourth ingredient added is? Adding a tablespoon of avocado oil, if not available to you, sweet almond oil. The oil we expect in this mask complements the previous properties, making the application of the rice mask several times more powerful. Combine all the ingredients and prepare to add the fifth ingredient. Coconut oil is popular for its moisturizing properties, reducing inflammation, fighting free radical damage, and preventing infection. In addition, coconut oil for the face helps to tighten the skin by boosting collagen production and preventing wrinkles and lines caused by aging. Some types of coconut oil are used directly on the skin as a facial cleanser or moisturizer. This oil is suitable for treating acne. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to the mixture and mix thoroughly. The mask should be mixed well and ready. Friends, if you have forgotten to subscribe to the channel up to this point, please subscribe to the channel first, and then watch the rest of the content. YouTube may no longer show you my videos, and you may miss out on useful information, a healthy lifestyle, and the use of natural routines to have healthy and beautiful skin. The last ingredient we will combine is aloe vera gel. Do you know the benefits of aloe vera gel for the skin? It is better to be aware. Aloe vera is a plant with numerous healing properties, especially for facial skin. Aloe vera gel, as an effective natural agent in skincare, can effectively treat various skin problems. Among the benefits of aloe vera for the face are preventing premature aging, hydrating, and reducing skin inflammation. Amazing properties of aloe vera gel for facial skin. Aloe vera gel is a natural compound known for its extraordinary properties for skincare. This gel is rich in nutrients and active ingredients, such as glucomannan and gibberellin, which help improve skin health and beauty. Below, we mention some of the properties of aloe vera for skin. 1. Rapid healing of wounds and skin damage by increasing the production of collagen and elastin in the skin. Aloe vera gel accelerates the healing process of wounds and skin damage and helps regenerate tissues. Point 2. Preventing premature aging by stimulating the production of collagen and elastin. Aloe vera for the face increases the flexibility and firmness of the skin and is effective in reducing fine wrinkles. Point 3. Softness and moisture of the skin. Aloe vera helps produce hyaluronic acid in the skin and maintains moisture and softness of the skin. This feature is especially useful for dry and dehydrated skin. Point 4. Protection against sun damage by stimulating the production of an antioxidant called metallothionein. Aloe vera gel protects the skin from the sun's harmful rays and prevents damage caused by sunburn. Point 5. Reduction of inflammation and redness by inhibiting the inflammatory processes of the skin. This gel helps reduce redness, inflammation, and irritation and is especially effective for sensitive or damaged skin. Point 6. Prevention of pimples and acne. Compounds such as salicylic acid and sulfur in aloe vera help control skin oil and prevent pimples. Also, this gel has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that are suitable for treating acne-prone skin. Point 7. Rapid treatment of herpes. Aloe vera can speed up the treatment of herpes and reduce its symptoms due to its healing properties. Now tell me, doesn't the combination of these few ingredients work wonders for the skin? Now that you know the properties of each of these combinations, you will consciously realize what a miraculous mask you can make for your skin. Please comment on this and let me know if you have experience using a rice mask. Friends, don't forget to share the video with your loved ones. Stay tuned for the second part. What you will see in the next section. Rice cream for the eye area, which treats dark circles around the eyes. You will notice even the first time you use it. It eliminates eye puffiness, lines and wrinkles around the eyes disappear. The oil used in rice eye cream even increases eyelash growth several times.